it. I don't know if I would quit, but I doubt it. I'm taken by the thought of this, and I know this much is true, baby. You have become my addiction. I'm so strung out on you, I can barely move, but I like it, and it's all because of you. So then it's all because of you, and it's all because of you. So then it's all because never get enough. She's the sweetest stuff. Ooh, think of it every second. I can't get nothing done. Only concern is the next time I'm gonna get me some. No, I should stay away from, cause it's no good for me. I try and try, but my obsession